Gonna make some beautiful pork chops. I like bone-in pork chops. They stay a little juicier in the pan. We're gonna turn those into a delicious orange-glazed pork chop, just using things that we have in our regular pantry. Some marmalade and soy or Worcestershire sauce, shallots and garlic. We're gonna do an oven roast vegetable medley, and to go along with it, rice pilaf. Now, when I see people buying those rice mixes in the grocery stores, I kind of want to go up and say, you could make that so much cheaper. Don't buy that. Rice pilaf just means toasted rice. So we're toasting some broken pasta. You know those little rice kits and all that? They come with little pieces of orzo or broken pasta. And the only reason they're brown is because they've been toasted. So you're gonna toast those up, and I like a little crunch in my rice, so I'm gonna toast up some slivered almonds for this rice as well. And you're developing the oils, and toasting everything just makes them really deeply nutty and just gives you that extra layer. When this gets super brown and toasty, you're gonna toast the rice itself as well, just for a sec, kind of get it going. So we're gonna put in twice the amount of liquid, shy a little bit, like I said, to make sure this stays nice and fluffy. Now we're going to dial our heat back, of course, and let that simmer. Give the pan a little shake. Don't take the lid off. You'll let the heat escape. Give the pan a little shake every couple of minutes. And at the end, you're going to fluff it with a fork. For the veg medley, we're going to get the oven nice and hot. I believe there are very few vegetables that I would not say get better tasting in the oven. I roast green beans. I roast tomatoes. In this case, it's a very traditional medley of sweet carrots and cauliflower and broccoli or broccolini. In this case, I want to keep this just very simple, and I want to add a little citrus pop to it. So when I take my chops out of the pan, before I use that pan to make the sauce, I'm going to sear up our lemon. When you sear any citrus, you're deepening the flavor and making it really sweet. Olive oil, salt, pepper, and throw these into a super hot oven, 425 to 450, until they're caramelized at the edges and delicious. A good tip about any protein, its best friend is a cast iron skillet, a hot, flat surface. I'm gonna get the chops going, throw these guys in the oven, I'll meet you right back here. Okay, guys. So we have the lemon that we seared. You take that out, you brown your chops on both sides. Then we're gonna tent this guy and make our quick sauce. In the pan with the drippings, I've got 2 of everything. 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 shallots, 2 garlic. Salt, pepper. That cooks up for a minute. And we're going to kind of slump it down and give us a base liquid by adding some more of the chicken stock that we're used to make our rice pilaf. And then to that, I'm going to deepen the flavor and the color of our sauce with your choice of tamari or soy sauce or Worcestershire. I'm a Worcestershire kind of a gal. I dig the stuff. I mean, I love soy too, but this is my little buddy with the pork and the beef. A little Worcestershire sauce. And then we're gonna turn this into a thicker consistency and add some sweetness and balance and bitterness all at the same time by putting in a couple of fat spoonfuls of good quality orange marmalade. I know, it's delicious. I'm just passing the pork chops back through our sauce that's just stock Worcestershire or soy tamari sauce. Yeah, I know, right? Tossed with the sweetness of the bitterness and sweetness of our good quality orange marmalade. And you make these big, beautiful glazed pork chops. I think it's looking gorgeous. Let me just pull these out. Boys. And then we'll spoon what's left of the sauce back down over the top. Okay, there's our chops. Done. Off. Here's our rice pilaf, not out of a box, with lots of toasted nuts and the toasted pasta, cooked in chicken stock. And we have our veg out of the oven, dousing it with our lemon juice. Ta-da! Okay. Put the chops in the front so you can see that. And there you go.